how to offer gift wrapping on Etsy. Let's be quick. So here is your shop manager on the right top corner. Either you press that and it will take you to this page where on the left hand side you have the shop manager and it lists down, and you are coming to the settings below and click to the settings and it will give you options. Press the options, and in that options on the third you are going to see the offer gift wrapping option. So if it is disabled, then you can't offer. If you want to offer the gift wrapping, you press the enable and then it will open up this little section for you to fill it in. You can put up a photo and gift wrapping details. Okay, thank you, and let me know if you want to know anything else.